So I'm making my next video of me learning the Winter Wind Etude by Chopin, and I realized I only really took video on day 5 and day 7, but I'll have linked the original video where I think I just have footage of me on my first day, and then now I have the footage of me after about a week of learning it. This is a new bar that I haven't looked at. It's actually at the end of the piece. It's the 6th last bar. So I do hand separate first. And a few times before I actually use it with the metronome too. And while I'm looking at this, I'm realizing in the right hand, there's a descending chromatic line. Like if I take out the in-between notes, it's it makes it easier for me to learn if I notice these patterns, and also for memorizing. This is bar 91, so yeah, the 6th last bar of the piece. And my goal is to get everything at 44 for the quarter note. So it's very slow. The final tempo is I think this is a third of the final tempo. Okay, so that's good. Now I'm going to look at the left hand. It's the same pattern every quarter note. It just repeats 4 times. So it's just that 4 times. So now the tricky part is getting them hands together. I can't do it with the metronome yet. Oh no, this is 6 against 4. I think I'm going to do this without camera because I'm getting distracted by the camera, so I'll come back after I've practiced it a little bit. So I can do the last 6 bars. No. 4 bars. Kind of fast. There we go. Okay, my attempt at 44 for the first 15 bars. First 3 bars, or sorry, the first 3 fast bars at 100.